guys, assalamu alaikum. Hope you are all my dear friends, family, all my dear student, and all my dear brother and sister, all good. As you can see, beside uh, huge building, and uh, there are some trees. I don't know this tree's name, as you can see, and there is a one masjid, and only just one masjid, not here huge masjid. I found. Okay, so today's weather is very nice, sunny, as you can see. There are some building, and there are huge building. Okay, uh, this is our rooftop. I came here only just make videos my audience. Okay, so I hope stay with me and until this video. Okay, so let's go our main topic: 5 secret for beginners. Only 5 secret beginners. 5 secret my life day by day improve, and day by day my English learning journey growth and improving. So I hope inshallah my tips and tricks you follow, and your uh, learning journey, your English learning journey day by day is improve, and stay day by day increase, and inshallah you will be a success fluent speaker, and uh, must be uh, fluency increase. Okay, so let's go our main topic. First, 5 number tips and tricks very important, because uh, when I start my English journey, I cannot speak, I cannot any word and short sentence make, long sentence make, not blog video make, and in front of camera. But 24 days after 2 days, I am here. I am not good speaker, but I am trying some speak. Okay, and in front of camera. So 5 number things very important. So until the uh, video, okay, stay with me. 1 number tips is a reading everyday, reading, because uh, you are a beginner, so every day at least 15 minutes or 20 minutes everyday reading, at least 5 minutes everyday reading. And second things, uh, writing writing. Okay, your everyday at least 5 page or 6 page reading, but at least 2 page or 3 page, only 1 page at least writing. Okay, it's very important, because your uh, your reading skill improve, and your writing skill improve day by day, and unknown word, unknown vocabulary, your subconscious mind automatic save. So it's very powerful and very effective writing part. Okay, and third things also important, because me very effective and very powerful, uh, for me helpful. Okay, so third thing is listening. Okay, you can search motivational speak and English content. Okay, so it's very important, because your brain input every day, so that's why you listening, and output, your output is speaking. So you uh, 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 every day uh, uh, every day listening like a podcast or a story, short story, long story, or movie, as any here. Okay, so it's very very important. And fourth thing is also important, is very important, because my today's improving only just 4 number is very important. Speaking, phone number speaking, because um, you cannot speak, so you're not fluency or not improving day by day. Okay, so phone number things very important. Speaking every day, minimum uh, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, or 10 minutes, at least 1 minute or 2 minutes speaking every day. Doesn't matter uh, right or wrong. Okay, just you uh, speaking. So it's very important, it's very powerful. And 5 number things is very 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 important, because uh, today here I am here only just 5 number. Okay, 5 number things make video in front of camera. As you can see, right now I make video in front of camera. So it's very important. 5 number at least every day, um, 1 minute. Okay, but you try 2 3 make video in front of camera. So it's very important, very powerful, very effective. uh, my only just help increase my English speak. Only just 5 number is very effective in front of camera. uh, Mm, um, so you are a beginner learner, English learner. So my tips and tricks you can follow, and your life implement your journey, improve your um, increase your day by day fluency and growth. Okay, so I hope inshallah these tips and tricks your life very improve and helpful, inshallah. So uh, you can my 5 tips and tricks. Thank you so much watching this video. Next, see you soon, and next video soon. uh, Tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.